Vital records, birth, marriage and death are the basis of your family tree. Remember, these records weren't created with the family historian in mind, so it may not be easy to find an individual. In this video we're going to look at birth, marriage and death civil registration for Scotland, which starts in 1855. Start your research with your grandparents' marriage. From this certificate you can find their ages and then look for their births. From that certificate you can look for a potential marriage, and so your research goes back in time. There is just one website to use for Scotland civil registration. scotlandspeople.gov.uk